Oreck Commercial XL Commercial Upright Vacuum Cleaner, XL2100RHS. Upright vacuum cleaner with 12-inch wide cleaning path is better suited for cleaning low-pile carpets than typical canister vacuum cleaners and takes up less space for storage. Helping Hand Handle has received Ease-of-Use Commendation from Arthritis Foundation. On-off switch is located in hand grip for convenience. Automatic floor adjustment enables the vacuum cleaner to move between carpets and hard surfaces without changes to manual settings. Powerful, high-speed, balanced brush roll with double helix brushes whirls at 6,500 RPM and move debris toward the vacuum inlet for cleaning. Measures 6x13x 35 inches, HXWXD. Weighs 8.2 pounds.